Hey guys, welcome back to another DIY garden project with GrowJoy. I'm your host Chris Stutzman, and today we are going to be building a flower planter using some old wooden boxes. Here's what you're going to need. We've got our potting soil here. I'm going to be using these 3 sweet potato vine plants, 1 Dracæna spike plant, a few lobelia flowers, and then a group of African daisies right here. I'm going to be using these 3 wooden boxes as our planter. The nice thing about what I'm using is that it comes with some holes in the bottom already, so I don't need to drill any drainage holes. If you want to use some old dressers, that's also a good thing to use as your planter, but just make sure you're drilling those drainage holes. So let's get started. Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. If you like what you saw, go ahead and hit the subscribe button below and stay up to date on all the new videos we post. As always, thank you guys and we appreciate you. See you next time.